Guys, I don't know for sure, but maybe you already found your calling in life. And trading is just a hobby for you, something you do only on weekends like Saturdays and Sundays. And today I'll show you a great set of indicators that help you comfortably trade on OTC market. So let's go. Well, I'm ready on the broadcast platform, guys, and let's start today's trading session with the most important part, the breakdown of our indicator setup. So today we'll be working with two main indicators represented by two moving averages. The first, an exponential moving average (EMA) with a period of 21, and the second is also in MI but with period of 9. So the primary signals will come from the interaction of these two moving averages. Well, to reduce the number of false signals, I will also using two oscillators. The first one, ADX, with a setting of 15, which helps us uh, determine whether the market is overextended in a trend and preventing us from opening trades during potential impulsive reversals. And this is crucial for understanding the overall market dynamics. So, and to confirm our main signals, we also use the RSI oscillator with default settings, and we're keeping the overbought and oversold areas at 70 and 30 marks respectively. So just remind you guys, we are trading on OTC quotes. This is an OTC market session, and as usual, maybe not always, okay, but in most cases, I prefer trading OTC because I focus on trend dynamics, and the set of trend indicators I'm using today was selected based on my prior market analysis, and the current market movement suits this strategy very well. We'll be analyzing the chart on the 1 minute time frame and opening trades with 1 minute expiration time and starting with a balance of $50. And I hope everything goes according to plan today. So just wish me luck, really. Let's begin and select the first currency pair to find the most optimal entry point. Well, guys, don't forget to join my Telegram group and also don't miss the chance to get deeper knowledge in trading and learn together with others. And you know just that I regularly share articles on various trading topics, updates from the trading world, and a bit of my lifestyle too. So I'm sure that you won't get bored there. And you know, if you want to become a part of my team, I get an exclusive traders club where every trader receives personal trading advice and 24/7 support. So plus there is daily trading sessions with me and my team. So what should you do? To apply, just send me a private message with Rachel Club Plus, and either I or my manager will get back to you. So guys, now let's get back to trading. And now I guess right here, I'll open the first trade down, following the current trend direction, which has shifted into a down trend. As you can see, looking at the behavior of the moving averages, both are clearly sloping down, and the recent pullback within the last 5 minutes didn't break above these moving averages. So the RSI line is within the 50 to 30% range, confirming the strength of the bearish movement at this moment. And therefore, it makes sense to open a trade down. So let's watch how this first trade plays out, guys. We have the last 10 seconds. And yeah, the position confidently closes in profit, guys. Let's increase the trade amount again to the maximum one and continue. So let's look for the next entry point, guys. Okay, here I'm expecting the price to continue moving downward. So I open a sell position. So there is already a signal from the moving averages and they have crossed over. So we saw a pretty strong upward impulse earlier up. So, but now there is a clear reversal, yeah, that confirmed by the moving average crossing. Um, and the RSI line is also crossing the midline from above downward and indicating bearish move. So, and additionally, we had a new structural high with overextension, meaning this is a strong setup for a sell. As you can see, the trade closes in profit, guys. Just great result, really. Again, let's increase the trade amount to the maximum and move on to find the next entry. And now here I'm opening a sell trade following the trend. After a pullback, we saw pretty solid pullback right here, but the bearish momentum has returned, and there is almost a crossover happening from above downward on the moving average. And since the overall trend is bearish, I opened this trade in the trend direction, and the RSI line is within 50 to 30% range. So just supporting this decision. And the last few seconds, guys. Okay, let's watch for result. What we should expect here. Yeah, excellent. Just this trade also closes in profit. So let's raise the trade amount again to the maximum one and continue looking for the next setup. Overall, there is potential for a downward move right now. And I'm also noticing signs of a shift. There was a pullback with these last four candles, including a large red candle, followed by the formation of another one red candle. Yep. So this suggests a sell trade. Additionally, the RDX indicated overextension in the previous bullish movement, and the moving average had already crossed downward before this pullback. So, yep. And what else? Yep. This setup is strong for opening a sell position. And yeah, my dears, last seconds. And perfect. This trade also closes in profit. I'm so happy. Just wow. Again, I'm setting the maximum amount and continuing to look for the next entry. And now I'm expecting an additional bullish impulse within the next minute. And I believe the last two candles showed signs of this impulse, and there is a crossover of the moving average from below upwards. And I opened the trade right at this crossover, and the RSI line is within the 50 to 70% range, showing bullish strength at this moment. So I'm opening a buy trade here. This is why, this is my decision, and yeah, let's check the result. And the trade closes in profit, guys. Just, oh my god, fantastic. Really, it was a bit stressful towards the end of the trade, but the entry logic proved to be absolutely correct. Well, despite a small pullback, you can clearly see the current candle's strong bullish body and impulse, but anyway, you see everything clearly here. So yeah, the trade closes in profit, just great result. So let's open the next trade with the maximum balance again and continue searching for the next entry point. So I think everything is clear here. So, and I've explained the logic thoroughly, so no questions should arise. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. here I'm opening a trade against the trend direction. I believe that a pullback may occur in the next few minutes because the previous candle closed red and there is potential crossover with the moving average from below upwards, and it has not completed yet, but the potential is clearly there. While the resistance line is also crossing the midline upwards toward the overbought area. And therefore, I'm opening a buy trade here in the expectation of a short-term bullish pullback. Well, guys, perfect result. Just this trade also closes in profit very confidently. Well, the signal worked perfectly. So on this note, guys, let's wrap up today's trading session. And the result is excellent, as you can see. So let's logically finish by locking in today's profit. Let's move to the withdrawable tab and let's withdraw $2,300. And the withdrawal request has been successfully processed. Oh, just great. Well, guys, the trading session is over, and this is the result I managed to lock in thanks to this trading method. And I hope that these indicators will be useful for you and that I explained everything in detail. And guys, if you have any questions and if you found some unclear and complicated moments due to watching this video, so go below this video. You'll find all the necessary links to my Telegram group where you will manage to text me and ask some questions. Well, also remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So I'm Rachel. See you.